Welcome to another edition of Lazy Mathematician Academy, where we never multiply if we don't have to. Meet George. Like me, he wants to speed up his calculations by doing things the easy way. Today he's wondering, is there an easy way to multiply with loads of trailing zeros? Oh, without a calculator? Here's the way he usually does it. Writing a row of zeros for each zero in the second number, but he's worried about losing his place with all the rows and columns of zeros. So, isn't there an easier way? The good news is, yes, there is. All you have to do is multiply the leading significant numbers. You can usually do that in your head. In this case, 2 times 13 is 26. Remember that. Next, count up the trailing zeros. In this case, there are 5. Then just write the 26, write in the 5 trailing zeros. Oh, put in a couple of commas to make it a readable number, and woohoo! You have your product. Wasn't that easy? Alright, let's not get carried away, because now the teacher's thinking of something else. What about decimal numbers with leading zeros? George says, I got this. To multiply 0.0015 by 0.03, you multiply the 15 times 3 in your head and get 45. Next, count the number of leading zeros. In this case, we have 3. Then just write down the 45, write the 3 leading zeros in front of it, and smack down that decimal in the front, and you are done. Woohoo! Alright, let's try something fancier now. Let's multiply both types at once. 3,500 times 0.0002. One has trailing zeros and the other has leading zeros. Step 1, you guessed it, is to multiply 35 times 2 and get 70. Write that down. Step 2 is a little tricky, but I know you can handle it. For the 2 trailing zeros, write 2 more zeros after the 70. Then, for the leading zeros, take your invisible decimal at the end and move it forward 4 decimal positions, because your original problem had 4 decimal positions. Then plop down a decimal right there, and you are done. And now you're an expert! Thanks for watching!